My baby. Oh. Hello everybody, Brian here, quantlabs.net. Just checking out stuff, and wanted to let you know we are here on MotoWave Wednesday, August 25th, 14:15 p.m. 2:15 p.m. my time, Eastern Standard. We are now going to go over all the mainstream stuff that's found in the markets. So let's see what's going on over at Yahoo Finance. Let's just see if I can find it. There is our, let me just pull it up. Just to remind you that we have our server running, chat server running. We are doing free Doge and the other Ethereum and Cardano signals. So you can go over there at quantlabs.info for those. So you can see here in the markets on Yahoo, everything's up, and you'll see the big spikes here that I'm showing. All the US is up, crude is up, gold is down, the Forex is fairly mixed as usual, bonds are up, Bitcoin's up pretty big, as well as the crypto 200, and we'll leave it at that. So let's go through what's going on with the world of MotoWave data provided by Oanda. Includes the CFDs, the poor man's gateway to commodities. So you can see here we have our excellent score we're starting with. Right now you can see the Brent crude is definitely on the rise here from 66 to 72 with a long here of potentially $74. We got a couple actually from 74 to 78, $79 for oil. Brent crude looks good. That might have some upper strength as well. So we got some shorts here. Now here's gold. Got some short calls here, both in the CHF, the Swiss franc, euro, pound, Singapore dollar, all shorting. All right, so continuing along here, more Forex. Forex is really mixed. I like trends. I just looked at the trend of the US dollar against the Thai baht. That trend has definitely ended. That was a good run up for a while when things were not looking good. Still looking for anything that's looking okay. Here's a 10-year German Bund. See, it's very flat. Just started dropping on this negative. I'm not sure if that has anything to do with the global sickness, so I call it. You can see here the Japanese 225 has bounced back pretty nicely as well. Netherlands looking pretty good there, but it has tapered off a little bit. Now remember, these are for our bars that you're looking at. Singapore 30's been struggling there, definitely. UK 10 years been side ranged or range bound with a recent drop. It looks like it could reverse as well. The US 30 dropping with a short call there, but it has been range bound for the last little while. I'm seeing a lot of this USD Canadian oil trade right there on the exchange. Might have some still downward pressure there. All the exotics not looking good. WTI, same as Brent crude. Nice longs there as well. More longs, I'm sure. You can see them. So Brent crude's definitely looking good. Here's the agricultural. Got a long here on soybean, corn. You hear about this inflation. As I said, I'm not seeing it. This is since the beginning of actually end of July, last month. Not seeing it, but I'll show you one that there is some growth in. There's a commodity. Yeah, all these weird exotic coin, you know, like for instance, New Zealand against the US dollar is a big long, but it's been very range bound. These could be very temporarily. But you can see here, Australia, New Zealand is just getting crushed since July here, beginning of July, probably due to the lockdowns there in both countries. NASDAQ is really strong here. SPX really strong, but has a weird short call, so you might have missed out on that. But that's definitely something looking pretty good. You're not getting the same performance out of the UK 100. Brent crude still looking pretty good with more longs. Now, just so you know, we're moving into a very good status here. Looking for anything else worthy talking about. It's mostly Forex, obviously. Now, if you're looking for predictable trades, this is a good one. Whenever good news comes around, economy, this is what you want to short. Do the opposites, the U.S. Scandinavian, be it Norway or Sweden. You can see those patterns there. XAU, Hong Kong, been stable. I have to tell you, China is not looking good. I think it's in here. We've got a lot of silver here, very flat. They're saying it's going to break out, but we've heard that before. And it's mostly silver in New Zealand. Okay, here's China. You can just see it's been very badly crushed since the end of June. Again, due to that global sickness, ports getting closed. It's pretty bad over there, but there's some longs here on the China 50 here. So not looking good overall. Talking about parabolic rise on this Euro Canadian. Just not much going on with these. Not seeing Euro USD. Been very flat. There's been some good run-ups here. As you can see here, Euro New Zealand, but it's coming back down. Hong Kong, Japan, yen, been very range bound. Netherlands is on a good tear, a nice steady trend up. Singapore 30 has been really getting slammed pretty hard, probably due to the global sickness. I don't know, but we got quite a few half and half on the long versus short there. Actually, slight more longs. Continuing along here. Here's the one I'm interested in, is Thailand now. That's starting to peak. This could start to do okay. Usually has before. If it starts to run up, it does historically. Nasdaq 100 is looking pretty good, but again, there's that short call there. USD 30 range bound. I'd rather have this than dropping as a trend. But you can see the shorts there. That's probably usually very temporary. Another short here for the S&P. 5-year, two shorts there. That's when you start to see the panic set in. I don't know. The catalyst is not going to be the global sickness. I don't think it would have happened by now. But the market's been doing pretty good. More WTI, long, BCO, long. But here's natural gas. This doesn't look that great compared to Brent crude or WTI. Now here's the one I was talking about. Sugar's starting to rebound as a slight pullback. This may actually start to trend. This took effect July 18th. We're looking at from 17 cents to 20 cents, so that's a bit of a move. And still some long calls there in sugar, so that's the commodity I was talking about. Not much else in here. Pound against the US dollar, slight decline, trying to rebound back. Got a long call, but yeah, whatever. Couple more here. Yeah, not much. I think it's really oil and US markets. They're saying gold may come back, but I don't know about that. Anyways, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a good day.